Being a winner. Hey all, welcome to my world. My name is Lorrie. I won a package on Lazy Days Ahead giveaway last week or a couple weeks ago. I don't even remember when. I was just in there hanging out and I just happened to win on one of their giveaways, which they do every second Saturday. And if you haven't checked them out, you need to. Jesse and Lisa at Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa. I think it's Jesse and Lisa, not Lisa and Jesse. I'm not sure. It's one or the other. Anyway, I don't remember what I was, but thank goodness for Jessie because she always does. And oh, yes, it was this beautiful, beautiful devotional book, 365 Days with Jesus. And I can't wait to start it. I might wait. I can't wait, and then I say I'm going to wait. I might wait for my birthday and start it on my birthday and read it one full year. Yeah, I am super excited. And this is a beautiful book. This feels like a leather cover. Doesn't really smell like leather, so maybe it's not. But anyway, it is beautiful. And thank you, Jesse and Lisa, for sending this to me. I am so thankful and so blessed. And I think when I finish reading it, I will gift it to another person to read. Unless I think I want to read it again. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, love y'all. Thanks for coming in and saying hi. I will see you soon. But like, subscribe, comment, leave me a comment. And I will see you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.